I'm about to unveil a game changer that'll do all the heavy lifting for you. You can be earning up to $400 a day, doing nothing but dishing out links with affiliate marketing. This affiliate approach stands out from the crowd because you don't even need to share your affiliate link anywhere. No need to spam YouTube comments, create videos, or hit up Facebook groups or Twitter. This tool I'm going to introduce near the end of this video does all the heavy lifting for you, so make sure to stick around for it. I'll walk you through step by step how to get everything set up hassle-free. Here's a rundown of all the steps I'm walking you through in this video. Visit this website that I'm about to reveal. Learn how affiliate marketing works on this website. Find a category of products you're into. Promote your affiliate link online. Now let's get started. First things first, check out this site called JVZoo.com. It's kind of like ClickBank or Digistore24, but what sets it apart is it's not just about selling physical or digital stuff. Nope, they've got a whole range of products, from making money online to cooking and beyond. One thing you'll definitely like with this platform is the variety of payment options on offer. Sure, PayPal's is everyone's go-to, but it's not always an option everywhere. If you're in Asia or Africa, for example, they've got alternatives lined up for you. Plenty of choices to suit everyone's needs so you can cash out your earnings. If you scroll down to frequently asked questions, you'll get a bunch of answers to the questions that's probably circling in your head right now. JVZoo is totally free and they have automatic payments as it says right here. Whenever a sale is made, your share will automatically be deposited into your JVZoo Pay account. From there, you can easily withdraw it to your own bank account or to Payoneer. This means you are guaranteed to be paid for every sale you make and that you don't have to wait around or rely on other people to do anything. So now your mission is to set up a fresh account. Just hit start for free up in the top right corner. Then punch in your basic deets to register. After that, verify your email to prove it's really you and pick your preferred payment method. Then you're all set to dive in from there. Once you're all logged into your new account, here's what you'll find on your dashboard. A rundown of your earnings, like how many visitors swung by, sales you've made, total revenue, and your cut of the pie. Now, to scout out products to promote as an affiliate and get those links, just hit up the Affiliates tab and then click on Find Products. This will whisk you away to a page full of countless offers you can jump on as an affiliate. What's neat about JVZoo is it serves up loads of helpful info, helping you pinpoint the perfect product to promote. Because let's be real, you want to make sure you're cashing in, right? Hey, quick heads up, not many folks watching my videos hit that subscribe button. If you're vibing with this content and find it valuable, think about tossing a subscribe with notifications on. It's totally free, and you can always unclick it later if you change your mind. That way, I can shoot you a heads up whenever I drop a fresh money-making strategy. In the second step, I'll guide you around this platform and teach you some basic knowledge about the affiliate scene. You'll spot the launch dates of products, how many have been snatched up, and check this out, the conv column shows the conversion rate. Now for those not in the know about affiliate lingo, conversion rate tells you the percentage of folks who actually buy the product after checking out the sales page. So if it's at 5%, that means 5 out of every 100 people ended up hitting that buy button. Then there's the EPC, short for earnings per click, which tells you how much cash on average you're raking in every time someone hits one of those affiliate links for that product. Oh, and check out the average price. You don't want to waste time pushing something too cheap that won't line your pockets much. But the real thing here is the refund rate. It better be under 10%. After all, there's no sense in promoting stuff folks aren't happy with. That's a one-way ticket to earning nothing. Out of all the stuff I just mentioned, keep your eyes peeled for the number of products sold, the conversion rate, refund rate, and average price. The number of products sold is essential, as it's like a stamp of approval for a good product, and people are more likely to bite when they see it's a hot seller. Aim for a conversion rate above 10% whenever possible, and keep that refund rate under 5%. Oh, and shoot for an average price hovering around $40 or $50. That's the sweet spot. Another key thing to keep in mind is the launch date of the product. Don't waste time promoting stuff that's been gathering dust. Go for the fresh picks instead. Now click on Category here, and you'll open up a treasure trove of product categories JVZoo has to offer. Seriously, there are tons more here compared to other similar sites, which is a major plus in my book. In step 3, find a category that you're into. So for this video, let's roll with the business and finance category. Once you've picked your category, it's time to hone in on a product you fancy. Remember though, before getting that affiliate link, double check those stats and make sure it's good. Check out this gem I stumbled upon that ticks all my boxes. Now, when you find your golden product, give it a click to open it up. Here, you'll spot the commission rate, a solid 50% in this case, which is music to the ears. Plus, you can peep the price and even scope out the sales page if you're curious. Once you've got your eye on the prize, it's time to request approval for that affiliate link. Throw in a bit about your experience in affiliate marketing, how you're a whiz in this niche, and how you'll drive sales their way. Then, just click the I'm not a robot box, give it a tick, and hit that request approval button. Now in step 4, when it comes to spreading the word about your product, you've got a bunch of tools in your toolbox, with social media being one of the heavy hitters. Take Facebook for instance. It's a powerhouse, especially when it comes to Facebook groups. In my case, since my niche is all about making money online, I went ahead and searched for Make Money Online groups. And let me tell you, Facebook groups are a goldmine. They've got thousands, sometimes even hundreds of thousands of members, so you're bound to reel in some clicks to your link. Then, you've got Instagram and Twitter as your next moves. For Instagram, whip up a page that vibes with your niche and pop that affiliate link in your bio. Or hop on Twitter and scout out folks who are itching to make money online. If you're down with the idea of aiming for financial freedom through passive income, just hit me with a yes and drop a comment mentioning what country you're from. This way, I'll know exactly where our viewers are from, and trust me, it'll help me tailor all my future videos for all of our subscribers. Now don't get me wrong, these methods can get the job done, but in my book, they're not the most efficient. As I've mentioned earlier, this method is not going to be one of those affiliate strats where you need to promote your link on social media. The absolute best way to tackle this, hands down, is by leveraging the tool I talked about right at the start of this tutorial. You'll find the link to it down below in the description box. Here's the scoop on this game-changing software called Warrior Plus. It pumps traffic to any affiliate link in a snap, all without lifting a finger. You punch in keywords from your niche, and the software churns out a viral video for you automatically. Then just toss in your affiliate link, sit back, and let the software work its magic. It's basically a platform that throws your links in front of up to 1 billion visitors simultaneously, giving you a flood of free traffic in just 60 seconds. And get this, it's newbie friendly, no experience needed, and zero effort required on your end. This tool is hands down the top pick if you're into affiliate marketing and aiming to set up a passive income flow. If this video has gotten you interested in the world of affiliate marketing, check out my playlist full of this method, which will be in the description below. Thanks for joining us on Fortune Innovators, where we make making money online an everyday reality. Make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, happy earning!